This 1/2 size WUQIMUSC acoustic cello uses a spruce top with maple back and sides, giving it a sturdy build and a resonant singing tone that suits developing players. The hand-finished construction and smooth varnish make the instrument comfortable to hold and play, with clean edges and fittings that feel thoughtfully done rather than rushed. For a student instrument, the cello projects a surprisingly warm, full sound that responds well to both gentle practice and more expressive bowing as skills improve. The included bow, rosin, and padded carrying bag form a ready-to-play kit, so a new player does not need to hunt down extra accessories before starting lessons. Its 1/2 size body is well suited to younger students or smaller adults, helping with posture and intonation because the reach is more manageable. Although this listing focuses on the 1/2 size, the same design is offered in other common sizes, making it easy to move up to a larger but familiar instrument later on.